Hi there, I'm back in the kitchen and I've got another lovely bakery style muffin recipe for you today. I know you've loved the previous recipes I've shared. They've been very popular, and I shared one for a double chocolate chip, a raspberry and white chocolate chip, and my latest one was a lemon curd bakery style muffin. So today I'm making a strawberry and cream bakery style muffin. There's going to be a few little white chocolate chips added to these. It's entirely optional whether you add them or not. So to get started, we're going to mix all our wet ingredients first. In here I've got some sunflower oil. And into here I'm going to add some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. I've got some cream, milk, sour cream, you can use Greek yogurt either, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix all this together. Perfect. Just going to set this to one side for a minute. In my bowl here I've got some plain flour, all-purpose flour. Into here I'm going to add in some baking soda, baking powder, and a little salt. Mix it together. I'm going to add my strawberries now, and I chopped my strawberries up nice and small, and I also dried them with a paper towel. I'm adding my strawberries now because I want to coat them in the flour, because by coating them in flour it helps prevent them from sinking to the bottom while they're baking. So get them in there and just mix them in like that. Perfect. I'm going to add in my chocolate chips now and sugar. Gently mix all them together. We can add the wet mixture now. And we're going to fold everything in nice and gently. I'm happy with that. Everything's well combined. Set this to one side. Get my muffin wraps, and these are tulip wraps which I made. I do have a video on how to make these, and I'll put a link to it in the comments below. You can buy them either, whichever is the handiest. I'm going to split the mixture now between the 12 of these. The easiest way to do that is to use an ice cream scoop. You can pour the mixture into a jug either. It's another handy way. Just fill them up. By using these tulip wraps, you get a nice big muffin. That's why I like to use them. Any mixture that's left over, you can just split it between any of the muffins you don't think has enough in them. And that's them. To finish off, I'm going to add a couple of strawberries to the top of each of them. Lovely. I'm also going to add a couple of chocolate chips too. Great, they look fantastic. These are ready for the oven now, so we're going to put them in for the first 5 minutes on a higher temperature, then we're going to reduce it down to continue baking. So let's get them into the oven now. Here they are, fresh out of the oven, golden soft and smell amazing. Let's break one open so you can see how soft and fluffy they are inside. They're lovely and moist. You can see the melted chocolate and the juicy strawberries there. You can enjoy them just as they are, or add some cream and a fresh strawberry on top for an extra treat. However you serve them, they're a lovely bake to share, simple, fresh and full of flavour. Give them a go, and I really hope you like them. Happy baking, everyone. Enjoy.